Hello everyone, it is your girl Linda Sims, the Who Dat Teacher. How have you been? What's going on, guys? I am back to teach you another line dance. If you're watching this channel for the very first time, like what is this? I am that chick that breaks down line dances step by step instruction, and at the end of this video I'll post a video where we can dance together. So if you like this channel, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up, leave me a comment, and make sure you subscribe. If you are someone you know is interested in cardio line dancing in the New Orleans area, hit me up, give me a call, and I'll tell you about the classes. 504-251-0674. So I'm going to teach you this line dance, but before I do, guess what, guys? I have the Nola Southern Experience coming up. It is the 4-day line dance weekend here in New Orleans, presented by Let's Mess It Up, Soul Line Dancing, and myself. Okay? It is July the 11th through the 14th, 2024. If you've never been to a line dance event, I suggest that you take this opportunity to come. If you heard about it, be about it. Come check it out, guys. And if you've been, I pray that you're coming back. We're going to have a wonderful time. Registration opens June 1st, 2023 of this year. It's next year, but it opens this year. But you can book your room right now. I will not text you. I will not email you. What I need you to do is go to our website, www.LMIUNOLA.com. That's where you register, you book your room, you do everything there. Anything you want to know is right there at our website. Please share that information. So are you ready? So this next line dance I'm going to teach you, it was actually created by one of my line dancers. It's called Nola Cruzin, and the choreographer is Linda GASPARD. Let's go. So it's a nice smooth dance. So we're going to stand on this side, look here in this direction. It's going to start with the weight on the right, and we're going to go into a Chicago basic with 4 shuffle. 5, 6, 7, 8. Cross, left, right, shuffle 4 times. Left, right, right. Do it again. Left, right, left. We're going to do a rock easy with a left, right, out. From here, we do the same thing. Crossing over, left, push right, shuffle left, right. Do it again. Left, right, rock easy. Left, right, out. Let's do it again. So it's a basic left, right, shuffle left, right. Cross left, push right, left, right. That's a walk easy, a rock easy with a coaster out. Left, right, out. And then repeat it again. So part 1, we're going to do it on the front and the back wall. Here we go. Starting with the weight on the right. 5, 6, 7, 8. Left, right, shuffle left, right. Left, right, show the back half. Left, right, out. Cross left, right, shuffle left, right. Left, right, turn back. Left, right, out. Good job. Front and back wall. Now let's move to the right, to the left. The weight is on the right. I'm going to step with my left leg, but I'm going to the right. Step, so I cross over. Front, step, back, and step. Front, step, back, and front, rock. Right, left. Weight is on the left. I'm going into the left direction with my right leg. Front, step, back, and front. Rock. Left, right. Let's do it again. Left, step, back, and front. Rock. Right, left, right, left, right, right, step, back and front, right, left, right, okay? Let's put part 1 and part 2 together with our basic. Weight on the right hand side, crossing the left, 5, 6, 7, 8, cross 1 and 2, 3 and 4, shuffle 5, 6, 7, 8, cross 1 and 2, 3 and 4, turn 5, 6, coaster out, cross 1 and 2, 3 and 4, shuffle 5, 6, 7, 8, cross 1 and 2 and 4, rock 5, 6, 7 and 8, travel 1, 2, pick it up, 3 and 4, rock 5, 6, 7, 8, cross 1, 2, pick it up, 3 and 4, rock 5, 6, 7, 8, weight is on the right, tap and lift, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, cross and kick, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8, is 1, 2, 3, 4, half, 5, 6, 7, tap, 8. I'm coming back and get you. Just want you to know what was coming up next. On the left, left, right, lift, left, right, right, lift, cross and kick on the left, cross and kick on the right, and step pivot half on the left, step pivot half on the left, and kick it out. Shoulder coming forward, half turn, left leg, left, right, left, tap. I'm kind of kicking out to the side, left, right, left, tap. That was a half turn with my left shoulder coming forward. Tap and lift, tap and lift on the left, tap and lift on the right, recross and kick on the left, recross and kick on the right, we step pivot half on the left, we step pivot half on the left, left shoulder come forward, half turn, left, right, and tap. From here, we're going to do 4 shuffles. 2 shuffles forward, and we're going to start turning with that right shoulder coming forward. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, left, 7 and 8. So it's all 4 shuffles, okay? Right, left, 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 right shoulder forward, right, left, left. See how it still moves back? That was a half turn. Then we could do right out, 1, 2, 3, 4, kick 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, that was a full turn. So we did right, left, shuffle up on the right. 1 and 2, left, 3 and 4, turn 5 and 6, 7 and 8. Right out, left out, 1, 2, 3, 4. Right out, left out and in. Full turn, right shoulder come forward. 5, 6, 7, tap 8. On the left, because like we shuffled up on the right, we're going to shuffle up on the left. Okay, now, let me finish teaching this and we'll put it all together. So the same thing we did on the right, we do on the left. Shuffle left, 1 and 2, right, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. That was 4 shuffle. Left out, right out, 1, 2, 3, 4. Left shoulder come forward, back to the front wall. 5, 6, out, 7, lift, 8, then starts over again. Okay? And that's it. We go back to the top, and for the top, we're going to take out a certain part. But let's start with the tap lift, okay? And put that whole section together. Tap lift on the left. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. And cross and kick and cross and kick. On the left, step, pivot, half, step, pivot, half. Notice how we came back to the same wall. The tap and lift is on the left, the cross and lift kick is on the left. The step pivot half is on the left. We do it twice, making that full turn. Then the left shoulder come forward. We make a half turn, kicking on that left. Left, right, left, tap right. That was a half turn. Then we're going to shuffle up with the right shoulder coming forward. Right, left, right, left, right, left, half, right, left. Okay? Right out, left out, right out and in, left out and in, full turn. Right, left, right, tap, left. Then we shuffle up on the left. Left, right, left. Right, left, right. Left, right, left. Right, left, right. Out and in on the left and the right. Left shoulder come forward. Left, right, out, and lift. And then go back into the basic. Okay? So let's go through that section again. Tap and lift on the left. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Cross 5 and 6, 7 and 8. Step pivot half. Left shoulder come forward. Step pivot half. Left shoulder come forward. Kick it out for 4, 5, 6, 7. Tap right. Shuffle right. 1 and 2, 3 and 4. Right shoulder come forward. Half. 5 and 6, 7 and 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4. Full turn with the right shoulder coming forward. Kick out. 5, 6, 7, tap 8. Shuffle left. 1 and 2, 3 and 4. Left shoulder come forward. Half turn. 5 and 6, 7 and 8. Out left. 1, 2, 3, 4. Left shoulder come forward. Half turn. 5, 6, out 7, up 8. Down on 7, up on 8, and go back into your basic. So let's put the whole dance together. That's the dance. Whenever you hear the chorus, that's when you go into the shuffle. Everything we do from the top, from the start of dance, is the verse, okay? So let me give you the first rotation. It's only 2 rotations. Beautiful song, but it's very short. So let's cross. Start with our basic. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4. Shuffle. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4. Turn. 5, 6. Coaster out. Cross. 1 and 2, 3 and 4. Shuffle. 5, 6, 7, 8. Cross. 1 and 2, 3 and 4. Rock. 5, 6, 7 and 8. Travel. 1, 2. Pick it up. 3 and 4. Rock. 5, 6, 7, 8. Travel. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Rock. 5, 6, 7, 8. Left tap and lift. 1 and 2, 3 and 4. Cross. 5 and 6, 7. Kick. 8. Pivot. 1, 2, 3, 4. Half. 5, 6, 7. Tap 8. Shuffle. 1 and 2. 3 and 4. Right forward. 5 and 6, 7 and 8. Out in the right and left. 2, 3, 4. Full turn. 5, 6, 7. Tap left. It's 1 and 2, 3 and 4. Left forward. 5 and 6, 7 and 8. Out. 1, 2, 3, 4. Left forward. 5, 6, 7, 8. Then you go into your basic. Again, with your basic. 1 and 2. This is rotation 2. 5, 6, 7, 8. Cross. 1 and 2, 3 and 4. Yes, rock easy with a coaster out. Coaster out. Basic. 1 and 2, 3 and 4. Shuffle. 5, 6, 7, 8. Cross. 1 and 2, 3 and 4. Rock easy with a coaster out. This is rotation 2. Travel. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Rock. 5, 6, 7, 8. Rock. Cross. 1, 2, 3 and 4. 5, 6, 7. Tap 8. You notice how I didn't go into the tap and lift or whatever? No, it's going to go into the chorus. Okay? So when you come off that travel step, kick it around. 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay? And do your shuffle on the right. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, half 5 and 6, 7 and 8, out 1, 2, 3, full turn, 5, 6, 7, tap left is 1 and 2, 3 and 4, left forward, 5 and 6, 7 and 8 is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, cross, down, shimmy, shimmy, cross, down, shimmy, shimmy, cross, down, shimmy, shimmy. We just add that, we do that like 4 times. Okay, that's Nola Cruzin. And so at the end of this video, I'll put the demo, so make sure you check that out and let's dance together. Leave me a comment, let me know what you think. Also, don't forget about the Nola Southern Experience. I'm telling you, we always sell out, always. So check that information together. Check that information at our website. Instructors, get your class ready. I would love to see you and your crew in New Orleans at the Nola Southern Experience. 4-day line dance weekend here in New Orleans, July the 11th through the 14th, 2024. You can book your room right now, and registration opens this year, June 1st, 2023. Please visit our website at www.LMIUNOLA.com. That's where you book your room. That's where you do your registration, and you'll see all the details. My name is Linda Sims. I am the Who Dat teacher from New Orleans, Louisiana. I thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.